Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech World. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to change your profile picture on Google Meet. Before starting, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another future update from us. Open up your web browser. First, go to the web address bar at the top and type in Google.com and press enter to log into your Google account if necessary. At the upper right-hand corner from the main homepage, you'll be able to see your profile icon. You can clearly see your profile picture in it as well. Click it on in order to change your profile picture. Now from the pop-up, you can simply go ahead and click on this camera icon. Click on Change. In order to change your profile picture, you can either choose a photo for your profile picture from your Google Photos, you can upload a new one from New Library, or simply take a picture from your camera right away by choosing the camera option. Select any one option and choose your picture from the stores. You can also go to Manage Your Google Account button and click on Personal Info section from the left-hand side menu right under Basic Info queue, where you can see a photo tab. Click it on and click on the Change button. Choose one of the options from where you'd like to upload a new photo for yourself. Click on the picture that you'd like to upload and click on Save as Profile Picture. After waiting for a few seconds, you'll be able to see that your profile picture has been updated. You can now go back to your Google Meet home screen and refresh your page. As you can see that my profile picture has been changed at the top right hand. That is how you're able to change your profile picture on Google Meet quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll send you back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.